using my plasma cutter I bought on eBay probably 5 years ago. It was literally like 200 and something bucks, maybe. Consumables are dirt cheap, or bunches of them. I mean, I love this thing. It's replaced my torch several years ago. I don't have to buy oxygen acetylene no more. This thing's faster, cleaner, and I made my own jig for marking the pipe, and it makes the pipe fit a lot better. Little to any filling in now. They just snug right up. This thing has saved me so much money, and I can't believe it's even lasted this long. And the best thing, I just run it off my Lincoln welder with a tiny little 6-gallon air compressor. Never had a lick of trouble out of it the entire time I've owned this thing. I love it. Buy one again in a heartbeat.